Okay, so today we are going to be doing our bubble lab. So the first thing we have to do is set up our little bubble apparatus that we're going to make. So you need 4 bendy straws. Take your bendy straw and you can just take the long end and go ahead and crimp it. And then you are able to put the long end into the short bendy end. So there we go. So what we've got here is I'm putting together all 4 pieces, and now we have our little bubble making apparatus. So we'll be able to then go ahead and do our experiment. All right, so now we're gonna make our bubble solution. So in order to do that, I've got 2 cups water. So I've got it here in my glass dish here. And then I'm gonna add to the 2 cups water, I have a 1/2 cup of my Dawn dish soap. So the great part of this is when you're all finished with this, you can then do your mom's dishes. So it'll be good. All right, so we've got that in there. And the last thing we're gonna add is we need a tablespoon of your light corn syrup. So we'll go ahead and do this. We'll do a nice happy tablespoon. And this is gonna give it the membrane, is what's gonna, our bubbles, which will be representing a cell membrane, a little more stability. So here we go. We'll stir all this in, move things out of the way, and then we'll see what we can come up with. All right, so let's give it a good stir. All right, so I'm gonna get you started, but I'm not gonna be going through every single, let's move this down. So we'll pour some of the bubble solution in there. You'll probably have enough to do some other fun things with. All right, so let's go ahead and put our, see if we can get a membrane. Oh, it wants to pop, so let's see if we can do this. Now, if you guys can see that I now have this membrane. Oh, it popped. So I'll keep going. And you're gonna play with it, but you see how flexible it is. And if you need to, look at that as it moves. Is it going up? And it popped again. If it keeps popping and you want to add a little more of the corn syrup, go ahead, but don't add too much to start. So we're going to play. You're going to see that the membranes are fluid and flexible, that there's a number of things we can do. And the next thing I want to show you, I do want to show you how to do the one little experiment with the thread and let you guys be able to play with that. And what we want to do this time is pop. And if I can show you, we can move this around where I have actually popped the inside of where the thread is, but then we can move it all around until, of course, we pop it. But
Mom, I did it by myself. Haha, I got it. Look at that, kids. I'm better than your bio teacher. Look at that. Thank you.